Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am going to download driver WorkForce Pro, and your type here the driver download. Okay, this why I am search the official website. Okay, this is the official website epson.co.uk. Click here. I am like the download official website, the official website new driver and driver not a virus and first download. Okay, this here the official website. Select your system operation here. Click here. This here is system operation for the Android, Chrome OS, iOS, Linux, and this here is system operation for the Mac 12 and Mac 11 and Mac 11 and Mac 12 and Mac Big Sur and Mac Monterey. And scroll down. This here the for Windows 8, Windows 11, and this is the Windows 7, Windows 9, Windows Server, Windows Vista, Windows XP. This here the complete the driver. And this video I am need download driver apps on WorkForce Pro Windows 11 and select your system operation for Windows 11. Click and go. Okay. This one. You scroll down. This is the system operation setup product for the Windows 11. This here the setup product. This here the Exxon software update. Your update driver for the before the before the driver you update here. This here the version release update. And if you need install driver only, and click here. And this here the driver universal. I am recommendation for you this here download driver. And this here driver complete, and for the wireless, for the scanner or the printer. This here complete the driver universal driver. And this here the user interface and user interface scanner. And you scroll down. This here the driver print only. If you need install driver print only, not scanner. And if you need install driver scanner only, not printer. This here the driver support for the wireless port. Okay, this video you need to download driver. This is the older. Okay, this is the older driver. Older software. This is the scan PDF extension and uh, download connector and online connector. This is the much older software. And this software for the new update. Okay, this year you looking in the release update. And this video you need to download driver universal. And I'm recommendation for you download here and click on download. Okay, if you need install driver for the your printer, you go on the power printer, you put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC, you take the USB cable printer, and you please wait the driver download. You run as the driver automatic for the install for the neck and install the driver automatic for the take the USB cable printer. If you need install driver for the Wi-Fi, you connect the printer. You connect printer for the Wi-Fi or wireless, and you search IP driver, and you looking IP driver. You run as driver. You looking IP printer. You run as driver, and driver detect the IP printer and click IP and next. If you need download, below description. If you need question, comment below. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video.